Alright, so today we are going to be installing a bidet toilet seat. So the first thing we need to do is shut off the water to the tank, which I just did. Next, we're going to flush all the water, making sure as much water comes out of the tank as possible. Holding this handle down will help continue to let the most water out. There's still going to be a little bit of residual water left in the tank, so this is why if you have a small bucket you can put in here, or you can use some towels. So we're just going to use some towels here just to collect the water that might come out of the tank. So once you've got that there, all we're going to do is unscrew this. You can see there's a little bit of residual water coming out. Just clean that up. All right, so next we're going to install this T adapter that comes with it. What that's going to allow you to do is the water is going to be able to go straight up through this, and then there's going to be another pipe that comes off of this that actually goes to the toilet seat. We're just going to screw that on. From there, we're going to take this pipe and it's going to screw right back on the bottom of this. Just like that. Next step, we're going to remove the old toilet seat. Usually, you just can pop these plugs up. This is where you need a Phillips head screwdriver. So grab a Phillips head screwdriver and you're just going to unscrew this. And there's a little nut on the back side. You can also twist and turn to get that to come out. Here's the nut, so that one's free. Then we're going to do the next one. Sometimes it's a lot easier just to unscrew the screw than it is to use the screwdriver. The screwdriver does help to loosen it up. Okay, the next one's off. And all we gotta do is just push these through. The toilet seat comes right off. There's the old one. All right, next we're gonna install the bracket. Very simple. So I'll make sure a lot of times they have on here which side's the front, which side's the back, but easily to understand because the front is gonna where the actual toilet seat locks into place. So we're just gonna set this on here, trying to make sure that it lines up evenly with the toilet so that it's all facing the right direction. And we have these little plugs that are gonna go down here. That's what the holes or the screws are gonna go through. Trying to make sure that it's nice and level and in line with the toilet. From there, you just have your screws that are gonna go down through. Just gonna hold it in place. So I'm adding the washer to this. So this is the only part on here that's actual has the nut is this bottom part. So this bottom here, I'm not even worrying about this. I'm adding the washer because it's more stable to the top and screwing it in this way. Most of this you can just screw by hand until you get it up. When you get it snug, you can use the screwdriver. So as it gets snug, I can hold and use the screwdriver to tighten it up. All right, and this should be very solid. Okay. Next, we're just going to take the actual toilet seat and it slides right on and locks into place. Should click just like that. And that's it. Next, we're going to take this hose, and this one will attach to the other one that we have in place here. Final step, all you gotta do is plug it in.